have gone because we're all failing maths. Not that we were partying in the first place, but we're all failing maths. Mr. Malfield.
Can I just do the register? So, how have we got Carrie?
Here.
Thank you. Demi?
Here.
Vader?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Have we got Jake here today?
He's moved away.
Oh, okay. Do we have Abby? No, that's a no then. Late.
I'm sorry, sir. Guys, you'll never believe what I saw in geography.
What did you see?
A monster.
A monster. I don't believe you. Me neither.
I promise, I'll take you up break.
Okay, fine, but I still think you're making this up.
No, I promise.
Sure.
Where is it?
Where is what?
The monster. It was here. It was literally in here.
There's nothing here.
It was in here.
What did it look like?
It was purple.
There's nothing in here.
I swear I saw it.
Are you sure you got enough sleep last night?
I'm sure.
There is nothing in here.
There was something in here.
We need to go back. This was such a waste of time.
I saw something.
S6. You've got 3 months to get this calendar ready for your enterprise committee. 3 months. You wasted 2 months already. I'm going to give you 20 minutes to get this sorted out, okay? 20 minutes and nothing more. Make the most of your time.
I guess we actually have to do something now.
Yeah. This is going to take so long.
We've got 20 minutes.
No, how are we meant to do something in that amount?
What was that?
That sounded like it came from behind the stage.
Should we go see? I don't want to go there.
Come on, guys. Let's go see that. It's so dark in here. Phones out, guys. You were blinding me. What's that? Come on, guys, there's nothing here. Let's go back to the Enterprise Club and finish our calendar.
Don't take the dog with you to class.
I can't believe you made us go all the way to the geography tower.
I swear I saw something.
There was nothing there.
There was. I literally saw it.
What did you even see?
There was like this weird monster.
A monster?
Yes.
A monster?
I'm dead serious.
Are you in your right mind right now?
Oh.
There was nothing there.
Weird. God.
Hi.
Yeah.
Jake.
I'm back.
You moved away.
No, my dad didn't get his job, so I've moved back here now.
Oh.
Yeah.
What?
I've been pranking you guys the whole time.
Were you in geography?
What?
There was something in geography. Were you there?
No. I pranked you behind the hall with the door sign. Yeah.
Was that you?
Yeah. I never ran up in geography.
See, there was nothing there.
I saw something.
Oh, what happened in geography?
There was like this monster in geography.
No, it wasn't me.
Oh,
the
we've
bell's
got.
gone.
Oh no, come on, guys. We've got maths. Let's go.
Crazy.
Is there somewhere we haven't checked yet?
Cupboard?
Oh, good idea.
Right, let's move the table. Be careful, Carrie.
Nothing in there.
Where is it gone?
I'm starting to think this is all a rumour.
Are you trying to play a trick on us?
A big waste of time. Let's just go.
I'm going to step here for a minute, guys. I haven't been in a while, so taking this dinner.
Okay, bye.
See you in a minute.
Bye, see you.
In a minute.